as you can see, we got all these features and all these stats. So farms, as you can see, enable farming. What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how I got Fisch Macro auto AFK, auto shakes, auto equip fish road, and everything, guys, packed in one without downloading any modded APKs or any software that would harm your device, guys. It's absolutely free, safe, and online, and you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, guys. So you can do it with your iPhone as well with your Android phone. So go to Google or any browser you got, guys, and navigate to this website. It's called appsneak.com, and go to Delta Executor, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, go to roblox.com and log in and get your link. So let me show you. So like this, so you log in, copy your link, get back to the tool, and let's paste this, and it will extract your user ID, guys, automatically. So as you can see, user found, nice. So second step is to import Delta Executor into our account. So click here, guys, to import it, and it's really important now. So click on select script and click on Forge Hub and name finders. I will select name finder, but Forge Hub is really important to pre-install in order to get Fisch Macro for our Roblox, guys. So click continue, and let's wait up to third step. So API is connecting, guys. Don't forget to select Forge Hub in order to get your Fisch Macro working. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more these tutorials. Okay, nice, guys. API is connected, our user account is connected, and we got our unique key for our Delta Executor, guys. As you can see, we got it, and then we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and guys, we will get redirected into manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Delta Executor with all these pre-installed scripts that we selected and with a working key. So we will have a list, guys, of 6 free apps here, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. All tasks are free and safe, don't worry, and from the official publishers. So if you opt for downloading, for example, Dice Dreams, click free, click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android, and if you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading it from the App Store. So don't worry, it's literally for the official publishers. So it's really important to follow their instructions. For example, for TikTok, what will I do now, guys? I will download TikTok and Dice Dreams. So click free, click go, and when I'm downloading this, after this I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Dice Dreams, the same. Free, go, and I will download it, install this, then run and restore Kingdom 6. So that's pretty much it. What will I do now, guys? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this and this task from the list, as I said, this and this, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So let's see together, will we actually get redirected or it's not redirecting? So still nothing, guys. I don't know how many time we will wait, but we completed 2 tasks with this successful message, and we're still waiting for this redirection. I don't know, guys, where will we get redirected or when. I won't skip. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID and our Delta Executor key. Nice, guys, we got it with working key for absolutely free. So the last step is to open our Roblox and to test our Fisch Macro. Does it actually work? So let me go to Roblox and let's open Fisch. So click here, click play, And let's see guys, will we actually receive Delta Executor with key along with a forage hub that we pre-selected in order to get macro in Fisch. Okay, so okay, nice guys, there we go, we got our Delta Executor. As you can see, nice, it's working perfectly. So let's see the nice, we got pre-selected forage hub and universal name hider. So let's execute this to test, does it work? Nice, fake display name, it works perfectly guys. So let's now test guys Fisch Macro. So let's search for a forage hub again. Let's type hub. We already pre-installed it, but let's click execute script and let's see, does it actually work guys? Nice, as you can see, it's loading. And now we will test Fisch Macro guys. As you can see, we got all these features and all these stats. So farms, as you can see, enable farming, auto equip road, auto cast, auto shakes. Guys, it works amazing, as you can see. As you can see guys, it works automatically. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found this helpful. This Fisch Macro is working amazing, and appsneak.com is absolutely legit website where you can get all these amazing features. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and bye.